Yeah guys, started 8:30 and I have to go almost 500 kilometers. It says 465 left, but when I started I have to go about 500. So 500 kilometers today and about 1000 tomorrow. Well, maybe a little less, because maybe I'm not gonna go all the way to the point. And tomorrow I'm going to the factory. Yes, so I got an appointment with people over there. They're gonna show me the factory. That's really incredible. So I hope you are excited as me to see how it's inside the factory of AGP. Never fill up too full of it, because then you have problem here. It's running through the breather, so you cannot fill too much. And again, playing with the gas cap. Found something broken off, and I think that's a spring for the foot brake. It's broken over here, I see. What looks like was over here, still dropping it back. So like, I mean, so it's not applied all the time, but that means this is too weak, and I need to take it off then. Okay. That sucks. Well, I'm gonna get a new one. Today I have to push 930 kilometers in one day. It's 10 o'clock already. A little late, not little, a lot late. I should have left like 2 hours earlier. But you know, you visiting your sister you haven't seen 6 years, it's not that easy to leave. But we will see how it will go. Not necessarily I'm doing 900 all of them, but most of it, because I wanna reach tomorrow morning the most western part of Europe, and I'm going from Alicante to Lisbon. Maybe 900 something kilometers. Not too bad, I would say, huh? It's only one thing, gotta reach it. And yesterday at my sister's I did the laundry and I left my camera in my pocket, so I don't have one camera. So I hope that's the last loss of my trip. Let's go, guys. An awesome forest over here, guys, and a beautiful valley below. 15:33, so 3:30 and 432 kilometers left to go, and the rain is coming. So right now I'm really hammering up everywhere where I have to go, and I need to go fast, and just like today I just done 900 kilometers on a paved road. So I see that I cannot do the videos the way I would like to do it, because it's just like it's way too late, and I don't have no time to film. But so there is Friday, guys, September 22nd, and right now it's 7:20 in the morning. Yep, I'm running real quick to the most western point or westernmost point of Europe, because I want to reach it, and I'm gonna try to reach the factory. I think I'm gonna be late for the factory, and they might be closed already, but oh well. The goal of the trip was to cross the Europe, not just to reach the factory. Slept like a baby, guys. I hope there's still not too much of a traffic. Yesterday I had to go to 3 hotels to find the room, and I still got the very last one. So today probably would be even worse, Friday night. But today I will be far away from here. Oh, and I have to push all the morning traffic. A lot of pay booths over here to pass Lisbon. I think I'm already in the 4th or 3rd one. So it's a lot. I have still 22 kilometers to go. Looks like I'm here in a perfect time, because you look in the tarmac, it's all wet, so it was raining not that long time ago. And I'm 2.7 kilometers away. It looks very southern. Yeah, but that's just from looking in the streets, you can say that's like in the businesses around, you can tell that people here working for the touristic, like, you know, business. And now opens up the view. Wow. Actually, that reminds Norway a little bit. Only one thing, that the plants, there is bamboo plants, and the plants are much higher and much taller. In Norway, when you come to the places like this, there is nothing. It's just... This dog scared me! He was so bad. As much as I understand, that's the lighthouse. And I know that in like a long time ago, when there was no GPSs and stuff, all the sailors, so they knew this point, because they knew this is the very last point of Europe. You can see the land. Awesome, guys. I still hope they have coffee over here, and I can drink coffee in the most western point of Europe. I think I can... We'll see, can I ride here? No. There's no sign I cannot ride, so why don't I ride here? Even if I will have to turn around. Okay, wow, cool. Very cool. So, welcome to the NordKapp, most western point of Europe, guys. Wow. I did it. I did it.
We got time on our side. We're in a state.
That's a tent. That's a motorcycle. That's a motorcycle camping.
I want you to know every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
How it's going?
To stay alive, and the time not be here makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong?
I just want to touch it.
I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise.
He'll take care of it, so Finland rocks. We'll do alright. Thank you.
Did you see your brake pads like really bad? I said, yeah, I know. I'm riding like this already like half a week. That was a nice crossing of Finland Ted. So Ted, thank you very much.
I lost my camera.
Not sure are they happy dust, but it's dust. The place where I learned to walk. And it's always a very, very special feeling to come home.
I am going with Martinez to get a new bike. This is AJPP R7. But if I get stuck over here, look at that.
It's not easy, but it's fun.
Well, I need to look and find another one way to go because okay. Nice bridge though. When are gonna go to Portugal, people? See somebody slid already there. Oh. Oh. So did I. I was expecting gonna be easier. I will be struggling here.
There's no chance you can go from Lithuania right now, not even from NordKapp, from Lithuania to Portugal in a month. No chance via that. Look how long it takes for me.
That's where it goes to that roads, and I don't feel like going in there. My test drive is over.
That a little bit less windy than it was on NordKapp. Much warmer over here. It's not cold at all. And I did it, guys. Gotta go touch it. I touched the NordKapp and I touched the West Cap. Yes, it's done, guys. Finally. What a feeling. What a feeling, look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Good. Feels very, very good. Very interesting feeling. Very, very interesting feeling. So, for all of you who followed me, who commented, who supported me, especially Martinez, big thank you for you and everybody else. Big thank you. It's done. It's done. So, I see you in the next